Can you obtain niche content from the PLR membership site? Private label rights membership sites go about various ways of distributing their content, while others just distribute it in any manner they deem the most fitting. Your best bet is to find a PLR membership site that distributes content in a particular niche, so that you can rest assured that the content you are getting is relevant to the site you are working on. Some people have many niche sites, so the content subject matters less than for those who manage just a few sites and need particular content on skincare, aging, pets, or health. A good private label rights membership site maintains niche-related content and limits the number of times that a certain site of private label rights content can be distributed. How often is content updated? While there are a lot of private label rights membership sites out there, not all of them keep their content updated. Some of these sites tend to recycle content time after time, and while that may not always present a problem, a good internet marketer wants as much original content as they can possibly have. For this reason, it is important to make sure that the private label rights membership site out there updates their content and gets new content in daily. A good way to tell this for sure is to see whether or not they allow you to subscribe for new packages. If they are willing to send you PLR packages on a consistent basis, chances are that their content is updated a lot more often than many of the sites that require that you visit the site homepage to request more content. If content is updated on a consistent basis, it is much easier to have a consistent working relationship with your PLR membership site, making life much easier for you in the end. If you belong to one private label rights membership site, you should not have to belong to another one. If you find yourself unable to get everything you need in one private label rights membership site, then chances are you might have to consider if it's not the site that you want to invest your money into and risk having unoriginal content or lack of content. Private label rights content is a great way to make some extra cash using the internet without having to go through the pains and strains of creating original content for yourself. But just as it is with any other service, there are things to consider that you should keep in mind. Make a good choice in PLR sites, and you will see the dollars flowing in from the rich, original content you have placed on your site.